that's different. I be shining, they be shining. Get you one shot, don't you miss it. What you know about waking up every day like you on a mission? And I hope you learn to make it on your own. What's up, guys? Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Good to have you. Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching me from? Just remember one thing. Remember one thing. One man could change the world. This is a trading assembly, and you know how we be doing it every night. We be moving the markets. So mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Let us cruise. Let us cruise. You know I will do it. I am trading binary options, and we are on gold OTC chart. Currently the market is dropping, so we are gonna drop with it because why not? Yeah, it's already moving in our direction. Hassan, good to see ya. What are you doing? Guys, are you seeing this move? Are you seeing this move? Taught me how to love, taught me not to cry. When I die, I hope you teach me how to fly. All my life you've been the angel. I hope you learn to make it on your own. If you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls that's pretty at everything. $1 million cribs, have $1 million dreams. When you get it, man, good to see ya. Sammy, good to see ya. Market precision. Good to have you all, guys. Natures. Guys, let us first get this pullback move. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. As we move the market, we are also here to learn. Teacher Lee, good to see ya. In a few, we are gonna get into the strategy. Oh my God. Okay, let us get another move. And if you love yourself, then you'll never be alone. Hey there. What we doing? Hey there. Yeah, baby. Hey there. I see you looking good. Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching me from? Talia, good to see you. Guys, the markets are already moving. Tell me, traders, have you looked at your charts today? Have you really executed any moves today? How is your market? How has the market treated you? Share your experience. Elena, good to see ya. Gabriel, good to have you. And you're free to ask any trading question, guys. Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? I ain't trying to spell you, baby. Nico, good to see ya. Good to see you, Nico.
Let's move.
I done hit up with the new way, she go crazy about the dick. Say fuck the earth, it's us against everybody. You on the team now, baby, yeah, Pat Riley. You were the king, now it's all around you, shine like a queen. And I still take shit.
Guys, this is a trading assembly.
We make love, we on the top of the moon. Say my name, put my nose, and I just to get your head now. She know I get that fly, man. We ballin' every night, baby, whoa, keep on top, yeah. Shame in my game, I'm a fiend, I'm an addict. We're knocking at the door, I told him I got to have it, what's poppin'? Hey there, yeah, baby. Just turn the phone. Hey there, I feel you looking good. Fuck it, old nigga. Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? Hey, what we doing? And I just take shit right there, so yeah, I know. But we make love on the top of the moon. Say my name, put my nose, and I just to get your head now. She know I get that. We ballin' every night, baby, we'll keep on top, you know. Same in my game, I'm a fiend, I'm an addict. I'm a knockin', you know, I told him I got to have it, what's poppin'? Another one. We the best music.
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the chick.
Guys, this is the trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Traders, tell me, how has your day been? Have you been in the market? Have you executed any moves for yourself? You know how we do it. Consistency is key in trading. So showing up every day is a must. Cameroon, good to see ya. Copenhagen, good to see you all, guys. Chloe, do you mind? Baby, you should be up in my bed. Chan Ads, Dexon, showing up every day as it should. My strategy is simple: price action. So every move that I'm executing, you all know it is based on price action confluences. Do you mind if I touch you?
You know you can do better, baby. I know that they know you know better than me. Let's not waste no time. You ain't gotta hold back. Things I keep inside. You won't change your mind. Know that you can take it. No need to hesitate.
Guys, when it comes to trading, we all know trading is a skill that you build with time. So the more you're really active, the better your trading gets. Know your body, know every color.
We be going all night to the early. Know you wanna take off when you on my way. We gotta talk about this time. Baby, by the way I touch you, you know what I'm saying.
I'm starting to get to know you. Get a little closer, baby, closer. My bed. We ain't got forever right now.
You know. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve that. You know. We ain't got forever right now. You know. Let me be the one.
Festasy, good to see you. Andrew, guys, traders, continue marking your attendance. Any traders that looked at their chart today, tell me how was it? How did the markets move for you? Did you humble the markets or the markets humbled you? One thing I know about trading, there are days when the market really humbles you very well. So, and there are days that come when you have really humbled the market. So traders tell me, did you humble the market or the market humbled you? Oh man. 20 million cash, seen that with my 2 eyes. We the best, and I told you this back in 05. Get a little closer, baby, post up. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds, sir. Tell me what to do, tell me what to do. What to do when you see a bad in front of you, baby. Binary was my entry to financial, but you moved away. Alright. That's nice. You know, when it comes to trading, anything that is working for you, it's what you should stick with. Here we'll be moving the markets every night because why not? Let us first capitalize on this move, guys. Like I always tell you, if you really get an opportunity and you see how you can capitalize on a move, please do, because trading is about taking the risk. So if you're not taking it, no one is gonna take it for you. Nice. This has really moved well. Reflected by the coffee in your hand, my eyes are caught in your gaze over again. We were love drunk, waiting on the miracle, trying to find ourselves in a winter snow. So we're loaded in love like the world had disappeared. I am trading gold OTC. That's the chart we are dealing with, and my strategy is simple: price action. What I like about trading with price action as a strategy, you can easily apply it on all time frames and all markets. I mean, guys, traders tell me, do you believe pure price action as a strategy is timeless? Even in the next decade, it's going to be the strategy, or you believe few years to come, there's going to come up a new strategy in the markets that we have to learn? I am one. This is a new dimension. This is a level where we lose track of time. I'm holding nothing against it. It's just you and I. Traders tell me. Trying to find ourselves in the winter snow. So we're alone in love like the world that disappeared. I will hold on tight until the afterglow. So bright till the darkness of me. Traders tell me, do you believe price action is a timeless strategy or not? Personally, I believe there isn't going to be a day when price action is not a strategy. That's why I really had to lock in with it. Because I mean, price action, you're literally looking at the current market movement to base on that and make your entries. Stefan, good to see ya. Samtech, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys.
She got the brown eyes, caramel thighs,
Long hair, a wedding ring.
I saw you looking from across the way, and now I really wanna know your name. She got the brown dress, but when she's wearing less, man, you know that she drives me crazy. The brown eyes, beautiful smile, you know I love watching you do your thing. I love her hips, curves, lips say the words.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question.
This love is like a dream. So join me in this pain. Amen. Shut up on the inside, darling. So I'm gonna put my time in. I won't stop until the angels sing. Jump in that water, be free.
Come south in the morning with me.
Jump in that water, be free. Come south at the border with me.
He got that green eyes, giving me signs that he really wants to know my name. Hey, I saw you looking from across the way, and suddenly I'm glad I came.
Guys, the analysis that I do use when I'm trading, it's just price action confluence, and I start with understanding the market condition I'm dealing with. I start with understanding the market condition you're in. It's gonna be easier for you to trade when you know the market you're dealing with. So if you're dealing with a sideways market, we all know when it comes to a sideways market, you buy it high. You buy it low and you sell it high. That means we all know a sideways market moves in a particular zone and keeps bouncing in that zone up and down. As a trader, you have to look out for entries when the market is at the bottom of the zone. Then you buy, and you do the same with when the market is at the top of the zone. You sell from that zone. That's how you deal with a sideways market. Then when it comes to other market conditions, that is uptrend and downtrend, beginners, it is easier for you to trade a trendy market compared to sideways markets, because sideways markets are crazy. Yeah, they really need some level of experience when you're trading. So it's always best to start with trading trendy markets. And by a bullish market, I mean the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. And with a bearish market, the market is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. The other thing I look out when I'm analyzing the market, it is understanding market structure. Honestly, when it comes to understanding market structure, one thing you always look out for are the highs and the lows. When it comes to an uptrend and you're looking at its market structure, you want to see the market continuously breaking the highs, and after a break of structure to the top side of an uptrend, you anticipate a pullback. Sometimes the pullback happens immediately, sometimes the pullback does not happen immediately. As a trader, you're supposed to be cautious. That's why whenever you're trading, patience is key, because you have to wait for a bearish confirmation to get into that pullback trades, and the opposite is true for a bearish market. Currently, I'm taking these pullback entries because you are seeing the market has been trending upwards and it is already locking in. I never wanna hear you cry, so I write songs for you. And I believe, yes, I believe.
I'm falling for you like a thief, looking in these. But when I see you, I see you still the keys to your heart. Yeah, yes, I believe, yes, I believe.
So let's move. Basically, that's what I'm always doing whenever I'm trading, and it has to be a continuous thing, guys. It's not about looking at it at the beginning of your trading session. Every time you are on your execution time frame, that's what exactly you have to be doing continuously, understanding the market condition, understanding the structure. Yeah. I never wanna hear you quiet, so I write songs for you.
But I don't care. Okay, I'm frosty, leave you, but I died there. No more you come on.
Yeah, when it comes to holding steady under pressure, actually, guys, that is where consistency is going to help you with that. I know that feeling when you have executed your entries and you are praying for them, you're watching every second. I mean, it is natural and it happens for every trader, but if you've really been doing it over and over again, I'm not saying you're going to stop completely minding, but that pressure actually is going to disappear because now you're trading with confirmation. And whenever you're trading with a confirmed entry, even when it goes against you, you're going to know that you are everything are ticked with your confluences. It's just the market being the market, because we all know every moment in the market is unique. So even when everything aligns with your strategy, still the market can go against you. But that's the beauty about trading with confirmations. You're not going to feel guilty and you start feeling like maybe I should have not executed in this zone because of that. Consistency removes that doubt, and you can only attain that if you're really showing up every day in the markets. That is really the biggest thing that transformed my trading in my 4-year experience of as a trader. That is what really helped me so much with my psychology, trading with confirmations and also being consistent, showing up every day so that you don't lose it. You don't lose your steez when it comes to the market. I mean, let me hope you get that. Yeah, because I mean, if you're trading today, then you skip 2 days, you're really breaking something. But if you're showing up today, the next day, the other day, the other day, the other day, you're really actively participating in the market, it's going to take away most of your psychological fears. Because I mean, every day you are doing this thing, it doesn't have to appear like every day it is something new. That was some crazy move there. Let us get more entries.
Be with myself and center.
Clarine.
Peace, serenity. I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We got some treating out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like a child missing that blanket. I've got to get a move on with my life. It's time to be a big girl now. And big girls don't cry. Don't cry.
The Incat I'm using is Keltina channel, and I'm using it with these default settings. Guys, the market is going down, down, down. Let's see if we can still cruise with it.
I must take the baby steps.
And you're free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn.
Fairy tales don't always have a happy ending, do they? And I forsake the dark ahead if I stay. I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We got some treating out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like a child misses that blanket. I've got to get a move
Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. The breakdown was super clear. Actually, guys, after learning the strategy, the next thing you have to focus on as a trader is working on your patience and discipline to apply that strategy whenever you are in the market, because that is also key. You could have the best strategy, but if your psychology is really fucked up, you're going to still not execute, or you may be executing late, and whenever you really delay on your entries to execute, it may also affect you. Timing is key whenever you're trading. You should also put it at the back of your mind. That timing is also key when it comes to trading. If you feel the move is going, if everything has really met your confluences, execute. Execute. It's past I know myself and I. Cause I'm gonna miss you.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
Consistency and persistence. I mean, as a trader, those two are really key in your trading, because from my own trading experience, I realized I had reached a point in my trading. Oh my god, you guys are crazy. Ah. What do you mean by life is a bitch until you're rich? Anyways, that is your take. That is your take, Ariane. But anyways, as I was saying, I realized as a trader, what really affects us sometimes is not the strategy, it is actually being inconsistent. You really don't see how much it affects you until you sit down and analyze yourself, and you do realize every time you spend about a week when you're really not looking at your charts, it's totally different from the time you spend consistently about, let me say, a month, and you've been showing up. There is always a difference. And the difference comes from things like fear of execution. They come from being inconsistent, because as a trader, if you fear to execute, that means you have seen the move and everything ticks your confluence. I mean, you have analyzed the charts very well and you believe there you could get a move, but you refuse to execute. Then the move goes into your direction. Honestly, that is the most painful thing to happen to any trader. I know you've been there. Where you see the move, you refuse to execute, but it goes in your anticipated direction, and it even you see it has closed very well. Believe me, that is the most painful thing to happen to any trader. I don't know if you guys have experienced that, but all those, if you are consistent, such mistakes don't happen to you. I mean, they don't happen to you because you stop fearing the markets. Ivy, how many new husband? Oh. Guys, I thought we are locked in for life. We are locked in for life. I thought we are locked in for life. Anyways, it's been a while since I've got any husband proposals. Seems that guys are so locked in. And this is a trading assembly. Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. I mean, we are always here to learn. Oh my god. My continuation entry has been invalidated. Rod, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Guys, I love this song. It's one of those songs that really motivates me.
I was talking to Slime and I said, I think I asked him, do you think I got to do something? And he's like, bro, is you fucking crazy? And nigga say, yeah. And he sees some other shit behind it. Reporting straight out of the slums. From rags to riches, I got me some bitches and I change up I come. And the drop when your pockets got months. These niggas believing in nothing. Right on my sake, you know I ain't dumb. Wherever I'm going, I pull up for something.
Guys, I'm glad you're really learning, and that is nice. That's why we are here. And I'm so glad that you always share with me your nice trading experiences. So that means we are all locked in. If you're locked in, let me see your comment. Locked in for life. Now, the one when I woke up, feel like I can be a trillionaire.
Yeah, I'ma be the one that they talk about. I'll be the one they talk about. I'll be the one they envy. Hate when they make that struggle.
Let me see you comment locked in. Let me see you comment locked in, because as long as the markets are open, guys, we are still gonna show up. We are still gonna milk from the market, because why not?
I want to give me a meal ticket. My young niggas want to get murdered, so gotta go get me a meal. I spent half of it on convertible. Turned out the portion on daddy, had to go and get mine at the cut. Came up poor and ashy, that nigga take care of my mother. Wish I had a curl success. Hate to see my sister suffer. You can never put a price on how much I love her. Surrounded by some millionaires, and I know I'ma be one when I walk off.
Feel like I can be a trillionaire.
Yeah, I'ma be the
One that they talk about. Feel like they don't feel me now. Yeah, guys, as long as these markets are still opening, we are gonna be moving these markets by force. Yeah, the market has to be humble.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, none of us look like a princess. Some girls kiss new lips every single
We are the trading assembly, as you know, and guys, you're free to ask any trading question. The strategy I use is simple, pure price action. I prefer to keep it simple. I mean, the market has a lot of things it requires from us, so keeping it simple is what is going to make your trading easier for you. I mean, because you have to also focus on your discipline, your patience, your risk management. All those things are key whenever you're trading, and you have to show up every day with the same mindset, right risk management, right market discipline, patience to wait for entries that are in line with your strategy. All of that work has to be done every single time you're starting your trading session.
Some girls like to keep their physique real private. Some girls wear jeans so tight 'cause it feels so right. Yeah. Some girls they every day search and keep the beat stirring, sleeping in late 'cause they just celebrate. Yeah, right. Now some days you feel so good in your own skin, but it's okay.
Guys, please don't spam comments. Sanjeev, don't spam comments. Most girls
are smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are
unstoppable.
Most girls
I fight to make every day. No two are the same.
I wanna be like most girls.
Guys, are you teaching? No, I'm sharing my trading experience and I'm sharing my trading tips to all traders, not just my husband. Come on. And you guys know the rules to becoming my husband. Like I told you, I'm an asset that keeps on appreciating in value. So every day that passes, I am appreciating.
Every day, no two are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like.
That's in the beginning. Yeah, the moment you join that trading assembly, you are locked in for life. That's how it should be.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. You should want a bad bitch like this. Drop it low and pick it up just like this. Yeah. Cup of Ace, cup of Goose, cup of Chris. I heal something.
Nature's good to see ya. Edwin, good to have you. All you have to do is to lock in and also trust the process, guys. Yeah, don't put yourself under pressure. You should know trading is something that you build with time. You can focus on learning one thing per time. And believe me, if you're really consistent, you're not going to remain the same until next year, of course. I myself, I didn't start like this, but it was a matter of me not giving up, I would say. Because if I had given up after 1 year, because really I had reasons to give up. Losses were really crazy then. Yeah, there is also a phase you reach as a trader and you feel like every time you execute, the market just hates you. Every entry goes against you. But the market really hates no one. The market has no feelings, guys. It's us with feelings. So it has no time to hate anyone. If you feel you are in that state, that means you're doing something wrong. You have to check yourself as a trader. Let's see if we can get any move. And we all know trading is very risky, so as a trader you should have a probabilistic mindset. Losses are part of our game. The key is to minimize them, and the best way you can minimize losses is by really having a solid strategy that you really stick to. Hi, Gigi White. You're free to ask any trading questions. You're free to ask any trading question, guys.
Girl, what you doing? Okay, never mind, it don't matter. Guess what? I did it. Girl, he is not old. Stop. And besides, if he is up in age,
Guys, look at this move. Buyers are onto something here.
see what happened. I'm sorry from the beginning. So what happened was,
Look at this move, guys. This is some strong bullish move. My sugar daddy took me out.
just to keep it and settle down. And them shots was coming round after round.
I drink him, but if you try to drink crown, you know we all so we had to slow it down. Ready to go, cause it's all that's all on. But I'ma chill, cause I know you're gonna give me some money.
I'm at the bar,
Let us first add these sales.
chopping it up.
I'm anticipating the market to really remain bullish, but we're just catching on, just a pullback. So let's see how it goes.
Pick me up and that ass on the truck and pick me up like a motherfucking press. I swear that he changed my whole mind. I turn around and let him hit it from behind. I'ma let him get it when he want it each time. Made a bitch come fast.
Yeah, like as anticipated, more bullish movement. Let us add these buys and see how it goes. Can you not if you don't mind?
They get older, they get better with time. Every night I wanna hit that line. Make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime.
Always cool, come over here.
Get near me, see I'm feel so different, never had this here. Don't need a call, I gotta watch it drill. Who would thought that you could handle me? Showed you my secrets, you showed out on me. You got me sweating like insanity. Work it out, up and down on the bed.
You did so well.
You deserve all this. Got so
Already moving, already moving. Guys, have you ever been in the market and you really on a particular zone? You're anticipating the market to move, but it holds that particular zone for some time. That can be so crazy. Honestly, if you're in that state, like you already have a predetermined anticipation where you expect the market to head, but it's not heading that side, you can lose a lot of money if you're in that state. I mean, you can lose a lot of entries because of that. Like you're trying to force the market to go in your direction, but it keeps on going against you. So if you ever find yourself in such a state, because guys, I've been there, the mistake you're making is you want the market to go in your direction, but you have to know as a trader, the market moves according to the market shouldn't be moving according to what you want. You're supposed to always have an open mindset to just look at the current price action and you make your entries based on that, not on what you want, but what you're seeing. That is what trading is all about. You're trading what you're seeing, not what you want to see or what you want the market to move to. You're supposed to trade what you're looking at as a trader. That's why I'm always emphasizing when you're looking at, you are on your execution time frame, please ensure that you're looking at the most recent price action, because that is where the market is most likely to head. Look at that. Don't assume that the market is going to sell and you really remain on that. You're supposed to have an open mind. That is how traders be moving. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. Always your mind should be open to just what you're looking at. Honestly, I really suffered with that. Also, there's a phase I had where I would just want the market to move in where I want, but in actual sense, the market has to move according to what you're seeing. You have to move with the market, not forcing it to move in your direction.
Second and nine, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my Colorado. Get that ring, just like Toronto.
I'm Remy.
Let 'em out tomorrow. So I feel I got to know that you are.
Oh my god. You guys are so crazy. Someone is saying, how do you choose a life partner like me? Oh. Guys, you're talking about how to choose, how to get entries, how to choose a life partner like me. I mean, you need to have some good assets. I told you guys I'm an appreciating asset. So that means every day that passes, and every time I'm locked in the chats, guys, actually I keep on appreciating. The more I lock in on these chats, I'm appreciating. So every day I'm really showing up. Every day I'm showing up and locked in. Yes, now I'm appreciating it, value. Tell you with
yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up at your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no.
Edwin, you're learning. That's nice. And you guys, you're free to ask more trading questions. We are always here to learn. Yeah, and I'm always sharing my experience. The things that I really faced as a trader, I don't want any trader to go through. So if it has not really happened to you, just stay away. Like the thing of not having an open mind, wishing the market to move in your direction. You're supposed to look at what is happening on the market and you go with that, not assume and force the market to do what you want. The platform I'm using, there's a link down in the description for it. Tell us the candlestick patterns. Guys, there are very many candlestick patterns out there, but if you really want to refine your entries to a candlestick pattern, you're supposed to pick a few, then you just be consistent with them. One thing about trading, consistency is really key, and it does not happen with just you showing up. You have to be consistent with the chart setup. You have to be consistent with if you pick a few candlestick patterns, be consistent with them. It's not like today you're gonna be trading engulfing candlestick patterns, then the next day you're picking something so different. Pick a few candlestick patterns, be consistent with them. Pick your chart setup, be consistent with them. I also talked about the time frames you use. Be consistent with the time frames that you're using. If you choose to pick let me say 3 time frames, be consistent with those. It's not like today you're executing on a 1 minute chart, then the next day you're really executing on a 5 minute chart. You have to be consistent with also the time frames. That way, that's how you're really going to be building your trading, because it is not all about the strategy. Everything also has to align with the strategy, your time frames. Your mind and your eyes have to be used to that particular time frame. So with also candlestick patterns, the ones I use engulfing candlestick pattern, I use the doji, pin bars, because we all know all those candlestick patterns. They can be used as a continuation entry and also as a reversal entry. It all just depends where you're seeing them. We are trading a candlestick chart, so that means every time you're gonna see candlesticks on that chart, but you have to make sure you have to make sure that you're really looking at the candlestick pattern in the key areas. That's why we just started. It should be following itself chronologically. That means like I start with looking at the market condition, understand market structure, because market structure is going to show you the key areas to look at. That means like you're looking at the turning points in the market. So it is those turning points where you're going to start looking for those candlestick patterns. Currently, you can see on the chart, you see a bullish engulfing. So if I wanted to take sell entries, I would start considering it because the market was trending upwards, gave me a bullish candlestick candlestick, a bearish candlestick engulfing. Then that means I would really take on the sales. That's how you'll be trading with the candlestick patterns. It's not about just looking at it. You're supposed to be backing it up with everything around it. Yeah, so let me upload you get that. Trading is all about being consistent. If you really not looking good on that, it's gonna delay you, because I believe me myself, it's what delayed me to really become profitable. I feel like I would have been profitable after my first year of trading, but it had taken me another full year. And actually, I only looked in because I saw people who found me already a trader, and maybe at some point I really shared some trading tips with them. They were already profitable, they were already cruising, they were already balling, and I was still out there doubting myself. So that's when I had to look in. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're done for.
Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a
Done for.
Are you ready for it? A perfect storm. 'Cause what's your mind? Like my word, it's never making everything.
Guys, the queue for the donation is already up. Who is ready? Who is ready? Someone comment ready. In a few, we are gonna get into the donations. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. We are here to catch up as traders. I mean, we are so locked in. So you wanna play with magic?
Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for it? A perfect storm. 'Cause what's your mind?
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats so hard out like Jeffrey's arms.
You guys are crazy. But guys, you're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn. And someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting into the donations.
I'm gonna put her in a coma. Damn, I think I love her. Shot it so bad, sprung and I don't care. She got me like a roller coaster, turned the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but the mama so dope. I messed around and got addicted.
So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're doing for. Baby, do you dare to do this?
Best HR here, good to see ya. Good to see you. Welcome to the trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting into it. Kafikani na Karapture.
and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter.
When you see the really cold doctor.
Coffee come in like a raptor, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter.
When you see the really cold doctor.
Coffee acting up the temperature for them, see.
Oh my god, my pullback entry has been invalidated. Let us add more mobiles. Let's see how it goes.
Coffee with it, burn time flow. Time for we accumulate the kinds I know. Me say, give me the signs like, whoa. Coffee come
Me
in
in a corruption, and everybody get corruption.
Play sleep up like helicopter.
When you see the really cold doctor.
Coffee come in like a raptor, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter.
When you see the really cold doctor.
Every African crew a bubble hotter than stew. We still not build until the Vatican slew. Me we hold still until the coffee turn blue. Tell them go and chill until the coffee done blue. Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrics on chapter.
How many trade do professional traders trade a day? That really depends on their risk appetite, your trading goals. Honestly, I don't think there are limitations to it. Yeah, it all depends on your risk appetite, your trading goals, and how much you wanna trade. That's it. I cannot say you're supposed to take about 10 trades. No, you're supposed to trade according. Guys, that's why I really love trading, and we all should look in, because when it comes to trading, it is you to limit yourself. It is you to limit yourself, nothing else. No one is going to stop you if you want to take 500 trades from the market. No one is going to tell you please stop. It is only you.
Go on with it.
Yeah, is it? Are you standing there?
Go on. So we are coming with a force.
Me a rise on both. So any trader can do as much as you want. All you have to do is to follow your risk management. Yeah, because risk management is key. So if your account can hold a certain number of trades, go with that. It's all about risk management, managing your. Yeah, it's all about that. Now constantly practicing, yes, me out and you looking at everything like hello proto. That's the motto. Henrique, good to see ya. Mohammed, good to see ya. Kennedy, good to see ya. Sanjit, good to have you guys. Good to have you guys. Story. So guys, in a few we are gonna get into the nations. Let us first secure our profits, then we get into it. Someone comment ready. In a rise and ball. You're supposed to be thankful. We are ready for our first. Someone wish all the participants luck. Someone wish all the participants luck. We are locked in with our first, so let's see how it goes. Today I made that with just, oh, that's nice. Congratulations. I'm glad you locked in, Emmanuel. So keep doing that. Keep doing that. Guys, that's why I'm always telling you, as long as the markets are still open, we are locked in for life. All traders will see results. As long as you're locked in this trading assembly, we are all gonna be seeing the results.
Feel the band over with bad. Get a little road in my job. You can come get rich with us. You gon' eat or you gon' stop. Keep it certified. Get a sin. I pay them not the wrong. Pop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the spot. Those people hate they don't pop out bulletproof the car. All the members made free bands. I pack look like they cracking cards. You know for a fact I keep it ready. Still ain't take the chart. Why she talking crazy about me like I'm do more?
Right, second attempt it's in.
Creation, give the world to my little boss. I can save it more than I can spend it. That's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect. I know sometimes I be wrong. I need some of this. No, don't get him no more. You're not gonna be able to. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me.
Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me.
Put these figures in your business.
I'm the real shit.
I try cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed. Went to jail and that way held me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double jump. This a kill tech. Marco been in prison for a while, but he still flex. I told Brody them to park the car, but they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check.
Yeah, I can chill, yeah.
But don't get it misconstrued, yeah.
Guys, you're looking for one attempt. Someone say the strategy I'm using is price action. So all my entries are based on that. Let's see how this goes. Already we have a candle closing above the entry. This is a good sign. Let me see a type congratulations to our first. Don't be running from me. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to Joseph. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants right away. But we still flex. Felt like it, I spend money on it, get whatever from me.
Could pill any bees to show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like me, never really know why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster and all alone. And you don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station, stuck up on that station.
Ooh, I know. Sad songs.
Sad song, darling. Oh, I know. Sad song, sad song.
All right, guys, let us look in for our next participant. Yeah, the strategy I'm using is price action, and when it comes to price action, you first understand the market condition you're dealing with. It's gonna be easier for you to really trade if you know the market, the kind of market you're really taking part in. Are you dealing with an uptrend? Are you dealing with a downtrend?
Who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers, but my name's a reminder.
How do you develop confidence in trading? Like guys, how I always tell you,
I cut 'em all loose and works my excuse, but the truth is I can't.
most of the things related with our emotions, consistency is really going to do a great part in helping you overcome them. Because honestly, that's what really worked out for me. If I wake up every day and I'm trading with pure price action, and it's what I'm doing in the market every day, you're not going to be the same as someone who just looks at their charts once in a week. So things like confidence, you're going to reach a time you've really seen these moves happening over and over again. So that means you're gonna be not fearing to execute. That's what really is going to show you, to give you that confidence. Like you've been in the market, you've been seeing something over and over again. We all know repetition produces mastery. So basically, me, that's what really have changed the game for me, especially when it comes to psychology, because I know that's what really affects us all traders. Trading psychology is worse than not even having a strategy. So it all happens with you showing up and being consistent. Guys, you're in. Let me say type congratulations to Miracle. Yeah, let me see type congratulations to our. Let me see type congratulations to our participant.
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't let the lie running for my life. I will always want you.
I came in like a wrecking ball. Destiny, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys.
You're not coming down. It slowly turned. You let me burn now. We're ashes on the ground.
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want to. I didn't live a life running for my life. I will always want you.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. I came in like a wrecking ball.
Let us move on to our next, just one attempt.
Let me crash it in a blaze of love. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me.
This is the trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys.
I just wanted you to let me in. And instead of using force, I guess I should have
Just one attempt to go. Like I was saying, with price action, you understand the market condition you're in, look at market structure, and I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Before I execute any entry, I first know the market I'm really looking at. And to know the market you're really looking at, it's just about looking at the charts. If the market is really trending downwards, that means you're looking at a bearish market. Confirm it with seeing the market continuously breaking the previous lows. One thing I know, you guys keep on asking. Actually, I don't know why you have that mindset, because even when I was still learning, I would never really think there is trading has two parts. I would say it has actually three parts. There is the mechanical part of knowing the strategy. There is a psychological part of knowing the discipline and patience that requires, and there is also risk management. Here you're dealing with your capital and looking for ways of protecting your capital. So you have to master those three things and align them. That is the secret I can tell you for all those that even after me sharing the strategy, you really think there is a hidden. You should just focus on that. If you really work on those three aspects in terms of trading, you're locked in for life. Okay, let us type congratulations to Kemi Vane. Let us type congratulations. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Ooh, shine. Miss Independent. Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something new so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no shot. Something about her. All right, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Let us move on to our next. That's the kind of girl. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. Oh my god. You guys are crazy. One part for your husband and the other, oh my god. Bye guys, this is a trading assembly. We all know we are locked in for live. You're free to ask any trading question. Though sometimes you're so funny. Much love from here, much love from here. You're so interesting, honestly. You're everything I need. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Let us lock in for just 3 attempts. That's why I love her. Oh my god. This is crazy going against me. Damn. Alright, let us refund and try again. You know how we do it. If I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call a shot. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring. Put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes,
Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't pretty cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that what we done this moment will be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link.
Let us watch out for our next move. The market is
greatness is what we want to bring up.
pulling back. Let us see if we can get a move.
In this moment, I just feel so alive.
As a pure price action trader, honestly, understanding price market structure is going to make your trading way easier. So if you have time, really practice and look at the market structure, its formation, break of structures. You have to get the valid ones, because the more you really focus on that, it's going to really make your trading easier so much. That's all I can say.
Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OBO, rebel to fatigues. So they want to be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of weed, he ain't even roll. These niggas be dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top of that, they ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Look at me and Nicki getting married today. And now you bitches that be hating can catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of five. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it. I'm party.
So let us look for a second attempt.
Man, I swear this shit is as fun as it looks. Man, I'm really trying to make it more than what it is. Cause everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
I could have this moment for life. Like guys, I was just telling you about candle closures. Honestly, if you're really looking at a candlestick pattern and you have another candle closing above it in the right direction or below it, for example, now you can see we got a pin bar, then we had a solid bearish candle closing below it. That is a very good confirmation for you to take the sales. Yeah, because it's clear. So whenever you're trading, also looking at candle closures is key in terms of getting entries. You have to also consider a key area. It is not all about seeing a candlestick pattern in between charts and you think it's a move. You look at a key area, you look at how candles are closing around the area, then you move. Oh my god, but sellers have really done us dirty here. Damn. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, Beckley. Next time better.
This is my moment, I just feel so alive.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, traders. Yeah, we are already here to learn. And I hope you're really taking these trading tips. Because after here, you're supposed to practice everything we are sharing. You go on your charts and you look out for them like crazy.
Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm acting dudes up. That coops up and chop the dudes up. My heart beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that?
Super bass. I'm using the intake tab with the default settings. Yeah, default settings.
You just gotta give me that look. When you give me that look, then the beauty coming out. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj and that can do stuff. That coops up and chuck the juice up.
Let us get a move on, baby.
See, I need you in my life for me to stay. No, I know you'll stay. No, don't go away. Hey. Oh, you got my heartbeat running away. Did you hear that heartbeat running away? Oh, with me like boom,
Right, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? You're already moving smoothly with our second attempt. Someone comment locked in. I want to know guys are locked in so that you don't miss out when I'm explaining a move. Yeah, I want to know how many guys are still locked in. Yeah, I need you guys locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Natures, you're still locked in. Nico, you're still locked in. Jeremy, you're locked in. 0 point, you're locked in. All right. MC Trades, you're locked in. Okay, I can see you guys. Zero point, on point. Okay. That's nice. Let us first look in this move.
Fucking two bitches at one time. Couldn't make me choose if it depended on my life. One's half Spanish and one's half white. Ooh, and my tattoo is on her body. Whoa, there's no controlling her when she's off that money. When she's rolling that body. When she's
Joshua, you're locked in. Ruben, you're locked in. Rushed, you're locked in. Guys, you're all locked in. I can see. Hassan, I want your Mr. Oh, Hassan, you're still locked in. You wanna lock in for life. I mean, you know, ball. Guys, the strategy is free. I'm using pure price action and I'm already sharing it on the stream. And I have videos explaining the strategy in detail on this channel. All you have to do is to log in. Guys, are you seeing this? Beautifully locked in. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant. Let me see, type congratulations. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant's account right away. Yeah, this really moved fast. on to the next, on to the next, on to the next one. You move on to the next. Hassan, it's always nice to have you. You're always locked in. Sorry, you're always locked in. That's nice.
She was a bad man, nevertheless.
Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check.
She was a bad man, nevertheless.
Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Digging in a bad way.
Just one attempt to lock in.
My face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L on all that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stop by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust, unless I stop by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving,
Oh my god, damn. Let us refund and try again. That was really so playing on me.
every time I walk in,
Let us try again.
telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust, so you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. The night scared, you know. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. You'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think you'll ever be too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
Guys, we are in just a continuation trade and it's already moving in my direction. Let me see, type congratulations to Corinne. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant. Gabriel, good to see ya. Joanna. 0 point. Nico. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Born in Australia with somebody would tell me, oh, that's what I want. Woke up and knocked on me.
Sun was shining, I'm positive. Then I heard you was talking trash. Hold me back, I'm about to spaz.
Yeah, about 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell you, oh, that's all I want. And I know that I'm tonight, thinking how could I be so selfish? But you called about 1,000 times,
I hope
wondering where I've been. Now I know that you're tonight, thinking how could I be so reckless?
let's move, let's move.
Apologize. I hope you can understand.
to jail tonight.
Damn. There's some entries you see they're really gonna get taken out. Guys, let us refund and try again. Let us get another move.
See all of my kindness.
It's taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin'. And we got 3, 4 days till Friday. Just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear somebody would
Guys, we buy again the market and see how it goes. I don't want to look at any red candle in this position. Damn sellers, they are really coming hard against me. Oh my god.
should've stayed with you last night instead of going down to find trouble.
I'm sorry about that.
That's just trouble.
Sorry about that. Next time better.
Wanna waste some time. Whenever I get too vulnerable, that's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna live with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. But heaven knows I'm trying. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say, what's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me now. I wish I.
Guys, please don't spam comment. Don't spam comment, guys. Please don't do that. Yeah, keep it simple. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Feel free to do it. We are trading binary options. You all know I'm on gold OTC chart. And currently we are on donations. But don't spam comment. What's the matter with me?
I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me now. I wish I wanna stay with you till the morning. I wanna play with you through the sunrise. I wanna show you that you're my only. I wanna live with you till the sun's up. I wanna stay with you till the morning. I wanna lay with you.
We are getting our second attempt. This is already cruising, guys. We are about to eat. Okay, let me see you type congratulations to Haber. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are locked in. Patience is really paying off, guys. You can see it. Guys, let me see more congratulations to our participant. I wish I. And guys, you know how we do it. Everything was to the participant. So let's do that. Let's do that now.
To get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself?
When I'm wasted for someone else, if you go down, then we go down together.
They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together.
No risk, no Lamborghini. Of course. Of course. Of course, I mean, that's why any trader, the moment you just define yourself as a trader, risk has to be part of your bloodline. Risk has to be flowing in you. Because trading is all about risking, and trading is so risky. So, anytime you're thinking of participating, you should know that financial markets are not to play.
Getting drunk on the past we were living in. If we go down, then we
But again, no risk, no Ferrari. That's the motive.
they'll say that I was clever. If we go down,
Then we go down together.
we'll get away with everything.
They show me how better.
Show them we are, show them we are, show them we are, show them we are.
Let's show them we are better than staying in Paris.
First attempt is in now.
Let's show them we are, show them we are, show them we are, show them we are.
Let's show them we are better.
Go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. We staying in Paris. We be staying in Paris. We be staying in Paris. We be staying in Paris. Let's show them we are better. We staying in Paris.
Just one attempt to go. No risk, no. You guys are crazy. All right. Guys, let us get another attempt. And by the way, guys, I have a signal group. So if you want to join, you can write to me via Telegram. You can write to me via Telegram, and I am gonna put you in the group. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. You write to me with proof. Then I'll put you in the Signal group. That's what you gotta do. So let me see you type congratulations to Chloe. Let me see you type congratulations to Chloe. 3 attempts are locked in. And guys, the platform I'm using is Pocket Options. It's Pocket Options Broker. There's a link down in the description for it. Success One Blueprint. Good to see ya. Good to see you. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. Let us cruise. We are risk free, so let us keep cruising. And actually, guys, that can also be a strategy you can use when it comes to risk management. You can start risking small, and if you really if your account has reached a certain level, you can withdraw some. Yeah, you can withdraw your profits and you leave some, so that some you leave, you just going risk free. I mean, you have already hit your target, so you're going risk free. That is also a risk management strategy you can consider using. Do you trade one? No, guys, I do not trade one currency pair. I trade different assets. What I consider when I'm picking out a trading pair or an asset to trade, it is just purely that it is moving, nothing special. As long as I see the market is moving in a way that I can understand, because whenever you are on your execution time frame, your mind has to really, the market, the way it moves has to be making sense to you. If you're really not understanding anything, then really you should either stay away from the market or change a pair. It is really key about trading. So me, that's what I really base on whenever I'm executing. If the pair is not moving, I'm not going to force it to move. I could just switch. It's all about keeping things simple and focusing on what matters when it comes to trading. Let's move.
And I love your mama.
Even though that she got selfish ways, because you're always telling.
Jump off the deep and it get deeper. Daddy be gone for the weekend. It seem like every time I hold you, I get weaker and weaker. I be chasing money while your mama think I'm creeping. I ain't creeping.
How do you learn price action? How do you learn? It's actually to trade with price action, you have to first know what comprises of price action. Then you learn exactly that. With price action, what I look out for me myself when I'm trading, it is understanding the market condition I'm dealing with. So you understand how an uptrend behaves. You understand the behavior of a downtrend. You understand the behavior of a sideways market. You also look at understanding market structure, both in all those market conditions, because market structure is different for all. You understand candlestick patterns. Basically, that's how I learn price action. It is focusing on those things. Even though that she got selfish ways, because you're always so mean.
Daddy be gone for the weekend. It seems like every time I hold you, I get weaker and weaker. I be chasing money while your mama think I'm creeping. I ain't creeping.
You're welcome. Yes, Signal 3. Yes, all you have to do is create an account with my link. Then write to me via Telegram with proof. You will definitely lock in. Levin, how are you doing? You will definitely lock in. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question.
They say that I manipulate the youth. Nah, don't get it wrong, I speak the truth. This is deeper than the roots. Look around, you see the proof. No excuse for what you see is not.
I rest my case.
I just want the Audi on it with the black paint on it. Hoping that the niggas don't hate on it.
Your place and you with the own name on it. Your name on it, just wait on it.
They say that I manipulate the youth. Nah, don't get it wrong, I speak the truth. This is deeper than the roots. Look around, you see the proof. No excuse for what you see, it's nothing new. They saying that I'm rich, but I ain't rich yet. I ain't counting on the damn shit.
You're welcome, my dear. You really know what you do. Of course, I really loved so much when I was starting out to learn how to trade. Guys, I really have a lot of. I have books and books about trading. I remember I used to draw the markets. I would draw the turning point. So from the books to the charts to execution. So locking in is really key, and you don't just lock in by just watching the market. You really put in the work. When you're looking at the charts, have something you're really looking out for. Do not just look at the charts, really look out for something. I mean, you can just pick a day and you're just going to map market structure and what you're really looking out for, valid market structure. Because not every high or low in the market is really showing that it is valid. There are valid highs and valid lows, and those are the ones that's where the market is either heading to take out or running away from. So basically you have to know all those things. You're looking. I want a friendship.
Hanging with them guys that's armed and dangerous.
Cut some niggas off and I make some changes. Cause they was on the same, they was on the same shit.
I just gotta go and get it. I don't have no patience.
David, good to see ya.
That's so great, so paid, so patient.
Ivy too much.
I wanna sit right
Like I told you guys, the only thing I didn't really learn, it was just chart pattern. I don't know if you know that bullish flag, all that. And why I didn't really learn, I was like, you know what, I already have enough. You know, because with trading, it's not about how much you know. It's about picking the few things you know and really be consistent with them. I was like, you know what, I'm not adding on the many strategies that I've been collecting over the years. Let me just focus on this that I know and just trade with that.
But I just want the money, I don't want that fake shit. Hanging with them guys that's armed and dangerous.
Cut some niggas off and I make some changes.
They was on that same,
They was on the same shit. I just wanna go and get it. I don't have no patience.
I'm on that get this money, stay in my lane shit.
Yes, guys, you can reach out to me via Telegram. There is a link down in the description for my Telegram. So you can, because why not? You can always write to me. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options. There's a link down in the description. I am trading binary options, and guys, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Join the trading assembly and we cruise. You can join the trading assembly just on time and we cruise, and I'm also always here sharing my strategy. All right, good night. Good night, guys. We catch up again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Bye. I love you all.